James, thank you so much for taking the time to speak to me. I know that you're back in Gaza right now. You haven't been there since November.
I've never seen, heard, dealt with what I'm seeing here. And the great part is we've got to in the past tense. It's getting worse, literally, as you might speak.
You specifically called it a war on children. Do you want to just explain why?
Yeah, it's important because UNICEF, when we make a statement like that, it's based on data. We said this after 6 months. At no point have we seen in a 6-month period this many children killed or wounded. And now we're more than 50,000. So it's every statement made suddenly looks, hey, we've hit a point now where Gaza's never been before. Which is, water here is desalination plants and it's pumps. And electricity was stopped. Israel stopped electricity straight after the horrors of the 7th of October. So it's fuel. They have denied all fuel coming to Gaza for 100 days. So we are well below the emergency minimum standard. If fuel doesn't come in, we will start seeing children dying first. A lasting ceasefire is vital every time.